Welcome to the Noel Studio Workshops training video number 1. In this session, we will be explaining what a workshop is and how to prepare for one step by step. A workshop is a consultant-led instructional session where an instructor brings their class to the space to learn about a certain writing or communication topic. Each workshop is specially designed and streamlined with an outline, a tip sheet, a visual, and a hands-on activity. This is to make sure every class that comes in is getting the same information, and every consultant knows exactly what to expect. We currently offer workshops on the following topics: designing and creating infographics, designing research posters, developing and refining a creative topic, developing and presenting an oral presentation, integrating visuals, intro to citation and documentation, APA and MLA, tackling thesis statements. You will see the workshop appear on your MyWC online schedule as a magenta box. When you hover over the box, it will be labeled Workshop Studio. When you click on it, you will be prompted with the instructor, course, topic, time, and location of the workshop. Additionally, you should receive an email early in the week with a complete list of workshop information for that week. Once you know the topic, thesis statements for example, of the workshop or workshops you will be facilitating, you should review the materials. All of the information is available via handouts on the rack labeled Workshops in the staff break room. There you will find your outline with a link to the Prezi and your tip sheet. Review both documents thoroughly and find some time to familiarize yourself with the material. Generally, you are blocked off on the schedule 15 minutes before your workshop, so you should use that time to prepare. Before the scheduled start time of your workshop, gather the required materials for your workshop: markers, post-its, etc. You will find necessary materials on your workshop outline. Head to the designated location of the workshop and set up your materials. Review the materials once more and get ready to facilitate. Tip number 1, keep an eye on your WC Online schedule and email. You will receive an email prior to the day of the workshop outlining the date, time, location, and workshop title. The workshop will appear as a magenta box on your schedule with all necessary information included. Tip number 2, be prepared in advance. You represent the Noel Studio, so always put your best foot forward. You are allotted 15 minutes before the scheduled workshop time to familiarize yourself with content, prepare the space, and gather materials. Be ready to go before the class is ready. Tip number 3, speak to the instructor. Check and see if they need to go over anything before you get started, or before the period ends. Make sure you know what class, English, communications, etc., so you can tailor your examples to the assignments and content of the class. Tip number 4, be confident. You are smart and capable, so no need to be nervous. Practice makes perfect. You will get comfortable before you know it.